Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola. First of all, just access Calendar app by clicking on it and tap on the month above. Then pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by tapping over here or choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event at the bottom. Either way, from here you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now you can also pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can disable this feature as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. If you want to change your date, you can also do that from here by clicking here, tapping on the correct one and choosing OK to save your changes. I will go with cancel though. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every year. If you don't, just select Does Not Repeat. You can also add people, videos, choose Add Location, click on while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, change color of your event, and even take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, you can save it by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and edit it by choosing this pen icon at the top right corner, doing wherever you want to. And now you can discard your changes if you made a mistake by clicking on this X icon at the top left corner and choosing Discard, or saving them by choosing Save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner and clicking Delete at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!